Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can delete your Instagram account. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, you need to go to your Instagram profile. So go to the bottom right and click on your profile icon. Then go to the top right of the Instagram profile page and go and click on the three lines. And this should take you to your settings and privacy page. At the top here, you then need to go and click on the account center. Scroll down the account center until you go and see personal details and click there. And in this section, you need to go to the bottom and go and click on account ownership and control. You'll then see the option to deactivation or deletion account, so click there. You then need to choose the account which you wish to go and delete. If you've got multiple here, I want to delete this Instagram account, so I'll click there. You need to choose if you wish to deactivate your account or delete it. I want to delete it, so I'll click continue. You need to provide a reason for why you're deleting your Instagram account, and then they may try and provide a solution for that. So select any reason for you deleting the account and click and continue. After that, click on continue again. Now I need to enter my Instagram password. After you've entered it, then you just have to click on continue and you will on deletion page. So you just have to click on delete and your account will be deleted. It's important to note that there is a period of time for where you can go and recover your account. It will just be hidden until that day, and on that date, it will be permanently deleted. So that's basically how you can delete your Instagram account. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.